Hello my friends, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded a video on my channel here. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that something changed on the channel itself. I want to explain it. I renamed the channel. I also changed the banners. The deal is I had made a decision. I was away from this channel. I didn't upload anything. Doesn't mean I don't have the car or it broke. Nope, the car is running pretty fine. It has currently 85,000 kilometers on the odometer. There were no major issues, just the maintenance stuff, So why renaming the channel? The thing is, back in the past when I started 2019 the channel from YouTube, I was motivated over it and so on. And the life goes on and you get new hobbies, learn new stuff, and then you get maybe addicted to it. And the thing is, I got big addictions to new tech stuff like do-it-yourself projects with 3D printing. There were a lot of projects in the past and also in the back working. I wanted to create for everything a new channel. And while I'm sorting out some stuff, private stuff in my life, before you decide something, sleep overnight and the next day will be totally different with your decision. I just renamed the channel for a naming where I find myself, my person, my videos, and also all stuff around me. I also plan, or let's say in the progress of building a 3D printed car in size 1x1. That's the technical thing what was in the past while I was not recording Dacia videos, that this channel will stay. And regarding the video uploads, will something change there? I cannot promise that I will regularly upload every week, every 2 days or something. I'm not that big YouTuber, to be honest. I'm a beginner, I'm a newbie at YouTube. I also, let's say, have not the best workflow in video creating or video editing, which means it consumes a lot of more time. But I will do my best to get back to my YouTube roots, where I want to thank you, my followers, my visitors, and I wish you and your families Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year. And stay happy, stay friendly, take care of yourself and your family and surroundings. Thank you very much to taking the journey with me, staying with me, and hopefully the future will be interesting for us all and there will be cool stuff upcoming. Thank you very much and I wish you a nice weekend. Bye bye.